to Walmart. Waiting for the car to warm up because it's cold. It's like...
Yeah, I can remember draw pictures like...
She's drawing titties on the window.
Actually, it was a smiley, but yeah. Hiccup.
Jesus Christ. It's all that champagne. Happy New Year, by the way.
I drank like that much of it, but it's also champagne, so...
Jesus Christ. Oh. Fuck, I'm gonna have to carry this video, huh? God damn.
Champagne suppresses, but it does not.
Champagne showers. Jesus Christ.
Oh, God, I still have the fucking hand. And hard.
Oh my God, let's find some music to belch to.
Are these like all different channels, or?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Where do I adjust, like back one or forward?
Like that.
Oh.
We're gonna find music to belch to.
Oh, really? 105.7 isn't coming.
I don't have an antenna on my car.
Ah, that was just fine. Good music. Are you coming up with one? Holy shit! What are you doing back there? Fair enough. I hiccup in the middle. Oh my God, that hurt.
Green Day. Awesome.
Oh my God, that hurts. That might have gotten rid of my hiccups though.
I'm gonna have the hiccups after her now.
That was a little one, but they're just about gone.
That's what she said. Ha! Fucking Jesus.
I'd rather not.
Well, he is Mexican.
I thought it was Middle Eastern. Oh.
Now you're fucking racist.
Oh shit.
I can't even compete with that right now. I don't know what the fuck's up.
I'm lucky I got that much out because of the fucking hiccups.
Don't stop belching tomorrow. All right.
That one didn't make the countdown. That's one of her.
Fuck you.
109. Oh, that's not even what I wanted.
Oh, there's ice. We're gonna be here a while because there's frost on my windows. It's okay. God damn it! You want tits? There we go. There's a nipple, and there's a boobie. Oh, this dude, he's got 2 nipples on there. What the fuck?
It's a mole.
You better get that checked, girl. Let me help you with that. Jesus Christ.
So you got. Oh, there we go.
Amy's gonna clean it up, doo-dah, doo-dah. She's gonna get the wetness up. Oh, doo-dah. Oh, she's doing the wetness dance.
Pretty much.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's actually not that bad, like further down.
It's a party bus.
Holy shit.
Oh! Oh! Look at them lucky fuckers getting toted around, man. Well, we gotta drive.
Gotta pass it over. Go, Gadget Arms.
Puff, 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 pass. What? Nice!
Oh my God, I just went that.
In all my times of smoking weed, I've never inhaled so deep that I've belched.
Can't say that I ever have either.
Of course, then again, like Bill Clinton, you didn't inhale.
I never have.
You did.
Oh, bullshit. Walked by it a couple times, especially at a Puppet concert, but...
We were walking around downtown Chicago when I went up with Erica, and 2 dudes just fucking lit up right in front of us. I was like, God damn it, I'm so jealous right now. Oh, shit.
Oh, shooting already, huh?
Well, we're gonna do it like an intro, and then I'm gonna hide the camera.
While back, we got our promised $20 and a touch more. Promise a video at Walmart. It's now New Year's morning. I don't even know what the fuck time it is. Somewhere between 12:30 and 1.
And
She's gonna low-key hide the camera, and we're gonna do something similar to Marco Polo burping in there.
yay!
Where to?
That was kind of chunky. I think I had to poop with it. For the meth writer.
Ew. Just ew. Okay, Ryan.
The dog did it.
Oh no. He did that and look at Rocky. It was your mother. So, yeah, there's that.
Ooh. Thunder Bay.
Or
Dude,
whoopsies.
got this cap on, okay? We're gonna go feel a sore. There's Cappy. That's a little bit. There he is. All right. Let's find a quiet part of the store, I think.
Probably background paint or something, maybe.
DVDs.
I don't think I'm short on notebooks, but it's all.
Marco. Tag, you're it. Ah. I'm gonna play with the toys. You want some candy, little girl?
Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah, she sounds lovely.
Oh, God.
It's not.
Yeah, let's not.
God, I'm starting to get stuck again.
Let them build up.
Peppa Pig, my nephew has been getting big into this little booger lately.
God, what a pig. Jesus.
Hiccups are back.
Son of a bitch. Let's make the farm. Dude, wait, what? It burps? It burps? Wait. How does it burp? Come on. Ah, yeah. Make it burp.
Here we go.
That's you. God, it sounds like you.
I got nothing. Go for another huge one.
Huh?
Go for another huge one. There's somebody right now.
Oh.
But it's actually in the soap shit, so I don't know how much
I'm Hannah. I'm a horse.
That's great, horse. Peace. Good God. Awesome.
Don't say anything. They're like, did you hear? I didn't hear it. Play it off like that.
Sweet. Dude, Power Rangers.
Transformers. No.
We like Power Rangers. Look, stormtroopers. It's a mighty big saber you got there, Darth Vader.
Somebody broken.
Drop the weapon now.
Make me.
I'm a douche.
Douche.
I quit.
Ouch! Shoot at me, motherfucker.
Right?
Oh,
Yo.
got backlash coming.
I hear that.
Pokemon.
There's more Paw Patrol, which he also likes.
Pikachu. What?
Yeah, it's Brian's line now. Pikachu knows everything at me. Butthead.
Pikachu doesn't know shit.
He hasn't figured that out yet. Plus, I keep laughing too hard to say anything. So, there's that.
Pikachu knows what Ash tells him, and Ash don't know shit.
Right?
Whoops. Why don't you do something constructive, like pray?
If it relaxes someone and works for them, more power to them. That's all I can say, you know?
Masturbation works for me. Wrinkle-free glue stick. So is that one of those things where I rub my wrinkles away?
Well, you'd be rubbing something, all right. What the? Oh. Like, there's That's not crayons.
Oh, let's get some crayons.
I saw that box for 120 at the oh shit.
Some Pee Wee Herman shit right there. Remember his big old rubber band ball?
Holy shit, I didn't think I still made that. Don't let me drop it.
Fail.
Basically.
Minus the hiccups, I think we're doing okay.
Yeah, no kidding. Not too bad for a first go. I have to pick one of these up next week. Get into sketching and drawing. We'll see what happens. She's fingering the hole.
Whoa. Imagine what we're gonna edit in with Jeremy.
Oh, sweet mother. Ooh, crayons down here.
Hey!
You guys.
La 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 la. Damn it, there's no letters.
Letters.
What?
Oh, you mean to rearrange to...
Yeah. My pants keep falling down. All right.
Well, first video, not quite as long and not a lot of Marco Polo like we expected, but still not too bad for the first time. We didn't get thrown out. Obviously, we're going to make it back. We're going to do another one. We just don't know when.
Maybe next time we'll do Target.
But they're not open really late, though. So we have to kind of play that a little bit more, or at least pick like close to closing time so we can just get the fuck out.
Closing time.
Okay, so this is going to wrap